Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. So on the ETH chart, Ether is still in this corrective price channel. We'll see if we get a breakout of this channel maybe today or this week to the upside. That would be ideal. The move to the downside looks very corrective. That is promising. The only question is it a wave 4 to the downside? Yeah, did we top here around the 10th of November in a wave 3? Are we going to see here this wave 4 to the downside? Is it complete? And do we then move up in a wave 5 to complete a larger degree wave 1? Then get a wave 2 pullback? Then rally in a complete melt-up escalation? Or is this already this wave 2? Yeah? And we completed wave 5 of 1 here, a larger cycle, and we get this deeper correction now. That's what the market will have to decide. At the moment, we're observing primarily if the wave 4 completed here and we're now in a wave 5 to the upside. This is our primary wave count. Surely other interpretations are possible, but we are only focused here at the moment on the smaller time frame. And on the smaller time frame, Ether has done what it needed to do. It did hit the 1909 support level, structural support and Fibonacci support and trendline support. We then saw a rally in only 3 waves. That's not a problem. Yesterday we saw a break above that 1992 level. That was one of the key levels to watch really. 1992 was the first level that needed to break to indicate that something more bullish was going on, which certainly happened. Then we highlighted that a break above 1992 should send the price to the upper boundary line. It followed, and now we have 3 waves complete. So I'm thinking with 3 waves complete, it can indicate that this is the wave 1 of a larger degree 5th wave, because in a diagonal pattern, which a 5th wave can be, the subwaves can be 3 wave structures. So that's what we consider as a wave 1. And the wave 2 pullback might be unfolding right now that we talked about yesterday. The support area hasn't changed at all. And the 3rd wave of the 5th wave could happen afterwards as soon as we found support. But it would require a breakout and a sustained break out to the upside of the descending corrective price channel. So that means a breakout of this channel would indicate further that this correction is over and that we are in this 3rd wave of a 5th wave. And we should still get a 4th and a 5th. Before we start a larger correction. In an alternative wave count, we're following the blue count, A, B, C, and after this top here, it's over. Targeting ideally $2,200, $2,300, that would be ideal. Bear in mind that a break above 2,150 would mean we are breaking to new 2023 highs. So I'm not entirely sure if it might actually cause a bit of an extended FOMO response, okay? So it's just something to keep in mind there. Ultimately, whatever it's doing, it needs to hold the 1943 level. This is support, basically between 1988. Ideally, it doesn't even go below that because that would show strength if it's holding above that. But, you know, it certainly shouldn't break above 1943. Doesn't mean it couldn't. It certainly can. But if it breaks below 1943, it rather emphasizes that something different is going on and that the wave 4 hasn't bottomed. And also that this is not a wave 2 or a wave B, but that something more bearish is going on. Maybe a reset of the wave 4 even lower, possibly around that trend line here or at the 1839 level. So yeah, these are all the parameters we need to be watching for today. So I would be in favor of another extension higher. But the 1943 level will be the pivot between, okay, a 3rd wave is reasonably possible or can be expected. Yeah? And below 1943, we have to watch 1909 and 1839 again. Okay, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.